You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this famous bank or banking group company, British multinational. If you want to learn more bank names and brand names, stay tuned. There are slightly different ways of pronouncing it, even including in England. People pronounce it a little bit differently. So you have Barclays with an E sound. Some say it a bit more as Barclays with a bit of a diphthong, like an A's sound. So it's kind of in between E's and A's. Barclays Bank. Did you get this? Can you hear the subtle difference here? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.